He's really what you call a perfect combination of man who knows what he's about to do. He goes a lot by his instincts, but he's got certain natural assets. His tall, lanky figure, his rich baritone voice. But all this is not really enough. It's really how he uses it all.
Human behavior is so limited. You either cry or laugh But there are 800 films in a year. And if you're involved in 6 of them, it does become rather difficult to bring change. And if you have to survive, the change is essential. I think one should be trying to take on different roles, and that sometimes people like to or appreciate you the most in a kind of framework that they've already put you in. And the moment you digress from that, they seem to feel cheated, and therefore they will ignore you or reject you. But I don't think that should deter an actor or an artist from attempting something different. He should in fact disprove the audience, prove them wrong.
Ada. No, you must come after. It's your picture, we have to discuss now. The दाढ़ी वाड़ी बराबर लग रही कि नहीं लग रही? हाँ?
सर मुझे लगा वो कश्मीर ऑटम जो
हाँ वो जो ऑटम में हमने शूटिंग किया है कश्मीर में वो कैसा है?
मेरे को तो बढ़िया लगा. Night sequence was very nice.
What do you feel, Manoj? For this sequence?
मेरी खींच रहे हैं कि मैं सही जवाब.
काय को खींचेगा? Just अभी what do you mean by saying खींच रहे हैं?
नहीं होता है कभी.
तुम्हारी शूटिंग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर हम लोग तुम्हारी खिंचाई कर रहे हैं.
नहीं था. एग्रीड था.
खिंचाई थी वो तुम्हारी.
बिल्कुल नहीं थी.
कोई कॉमेडी सीन होता है, कोई लाइट सीन होता है. He creates the atmosphere. वो सबको जोक सुनाना, मजाक करना, लोग हंसते रहते हैं. So that I mean no one knows what is going on undercurrent or behind the mic, behind the curtain what is going on. He's keeping himself intact with that scene, so that he's involved in that scene. It's a comedy scene. So everybody is laughing. And when he comes in front of the camera, तब लोगों को पता लगता है कि ये सुबह से लेकर शाम तक सब हंस क्यों रहे थे. Because वो सीन ही ऐसा था.
I think when you're happier, you're able to invent moments, things much better than when you're unhappy. And I think when you do a comic situation or a situation where you need to be funny or at least try to be funny, it's nice to have a bit of invention.
ऊपर गया लास्ट का मुझे देना प्लीज.
हाँ ले या ले
आता एक मिनट. ओके अभी लोगों को बता तू कहां वेट ज्यादा है लेफ्ट में राइट में.
आने दो नीचे आने.
महेश यू डोंट वरी. हाँ कल सुबह तक. अरे ऊपर रखो यार, किधर ले जा रहे हो? Upstairs. Very good. You stay there. I will look after your family and your newly born son.
Newborn son.
Don't worry. I'm there. Okay. You please stay there.
22 days old.
Okay, 22 days old. All right. Tomorrow he will be 23 days old. Don't worry about anything.
Now he has his own style, which I've studied it by now so well. So we have a problem to set. Like my son, when he's directing him in Tufan, he will tell him, he said, this is the scene, and he will enact and show. And Amit will say, yeah, this is what you are doing is exactly like me. To which Ketan said, naturally, I'm imitating you. You are supposed to do that on the screen. I'm imitating you because that's what I want you to do, the same thing.
Silence, please. Silence. Silence, yaar. Arey silence, yaar. Silence. Silence बोला यार.
This shot will open. तो मीनाक्षी जी ने
तो राइट में थोड़ा राइट. हाय पीटरा.
थोड़ा लेफ्ट में देखेंगे.
अरे नहीं देख नहीं रहा कीर्तन तू स्टार्ट कर दे कैमरा यार तू बोलो मत मेरे को बहुत टेंशन
1 and 2 okay आज
First of all, he knows he's working for a camera, which not very many artists
7 take 1
understand this. He knows that the camera is finally what's going to capture that image, and that is the image that's going to be projected and come across to the audience. Whether it's the pitch of his voice or the throw of his lines, everything goes to that audience. Whether it's song and dance, drama, he just goes about it with so much ease and grace.
ड्रामेटिक सीन है, कोई इमोशनल सीन है, तो कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि हर आदमी टेंस है, बिकॉज ही इज सो मच लॉस्ट. वो एक कोने में अपना सीन लेके बैठ जाएगा.
लाया
अगर हम देखें तो आमतौर से होता क्या है कि एक अच्छा अदाकार आता है और उसमें एक गुण होता है, उसकी एक खूबी होती है, और वही खूबी धीरे धीरे बढ़ते बढ़ते उसकी बर्बादी का बाइस बनती है. बहैसियत अदाकार के वो अपने ही परफॉर्मेंस का अल्टीमेटली कार्टून बन जाता है. लेकिन अमिताभ बच्चन में इस सिलसिले में, अपनी खुद पसंदी के सिलसिले में वो बड़े मोहतियात रहे हैं, और उन्होंने हमेशा अपने आप को बहुत ईमानदारी से देखा और परखा है, और हर कदम पे अपने आप को संभाल के रखा है कि देखो भाई ये कामयाबी अलग है, तुम अलग हो, ये सब चीज़ें आती जाती रहती हैं, इन्हें अपने अंदर ज़्यादा मत समोने की कोशिश करो.
सरकार आप खाएंगे इसे?
I don't like biscuits.
Very, very fine snack. Please believe. ऐसा उसमें लिखा है कि खाने से पिक्चर चल जाती है.
तो तुम खाओ, you need it now. उठाए लेंगे कुछ ना कुछ. कौन बात?
The maximum population, as I said, was between 18 and 35. And that group, that age group of boys and girls and whatever it is, they've been exposed to better cinema, better films, and therefore they want to see better films. They are guiding us.
From the audience point of view, say that he's doing the same thing again and again. Why he's not doing something different? You see, that also can be said. You see. So this is a theory. I wouldn't say it's practice. I mean, it should not be practice. It should give various to do different things. All his characters project his popular image, always. And everybody, all directors, including me, would like to exploit that to the hilt, commercially. Otherwise, you have Amitabh Bachchan, you don't need to work. That's the theory. Why work on anything else? बैठ जा रहा है. That is the theory.
The comparison between the swale of Amitji's films and the other films, it is something like at times twice the price or thrice the price we get from other stars. Amitji's films are sold on the day you announce his name, the day you start the Muhurat, the inauguration. On that day it is all sold. So that is a big thing for a financier. So he will be the first man to come and finance for Amitji's movie. That is how it is.
I think it's natural because he's by far the most popular, actor we ever had. So that's the reason why it's like that, because I think people, when they want to put him on the cover, they write a very nasty piece on him, and then they still put him on the cover because that makes it readable.
Pop pop, T pop, taking, pop pop, peeper pop. Pop pop, pop 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 pop. We've changed the song now. प्यार किया पापा ने इनकार किया लड़की लेके भाग चलो जाओ फटाफट शादी करो. Don't अच्छा ये सुर में रखना. Don't worry
be happy, don't worry, don't worry. यहाँ पर change करना last में.
Third वाले.
हाँ पहले don't worry, वो clash होगा. Be happy.
Record कर लेते हैं at a stretch. It is excellent.
Sometimes I think it's a little crazy. When I tell him not to do it, the more I tell him, the more he wants to do it. I don't know what he wants to prove, but I feel he gets carried away. He gets carried away on the set. Once he does a shot and people like it, we applaud, then he wants to do it himself. He feels, what if a duplicate is seen in the shot? Then all the credit in the sequence will be sort of null and void, you know. The whole sequence can fall flat if the duplicate is caught on the screen. So he wants to do it himself. So that people say, look, this is our hero Amitabh. He can sing, he can dance, and he can talk, and he can fight too. He wants to live up to the image that he can do everything.
सर बहुत confusion है.
I'm sorry.
कोई confusion नहीं है, just better.
मन में सच्ची बोल रहा, मेरा सर्कुलेशन बंद हो गया.
अरे एक मिनट जल्दी ये देना.
वैसे तो बहुत कुछ बंद हो गया है, लेकिन फिलहाल सर्कुलेशन बंद है. Everything is closed. All departments are shut.
अरे बाप रे.
Believe me, it was a nightmare. If I found a nightmare again, I can imagine what it must have been for his family. The ordeal that they were undergoing was beyond any words or any description. All they could do was pray, and there was a round-the-clock vigil for him. Prayers were offered by millions of people all over the world, all over the country, of course. Boys and girls and old men, old women, they would come to the hospital. They were willing to donate any part of the body to save him. It was a sight, it was an event that has never happened before, and I hope it never happens again.
They had given special permission for the children to go to ICU. Normally they don't. But he was so bad. And when they came in, you know, he had these glucose bottles, which are in plastic bags, polythene bags, and then blood and all kinds of things hanging all over. And they asked him, he could speak then. He was very happy to see them, very, very happy. And, you know, I mean, they looked around and, you know, he said, he realized that probably they were finding everything very odd. And he said, I've brought kites for all of you. And you know, I mean, I don't think after that, you know, he was conscious enough to say anything very much.